Okay, good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about MLA format. Really, we're going to just focus in this video on the basic guidelines to set up your paper. MLA is the Modern Language Association. MLA format is the standard format for academic writing in the English language arts. General guidelines include 1-inch margins on all 4 sides. Everything in the paper is evenly double spaced with no extra spacing anywhere. I see students all the time and they put extra spacing in. There is no extra spacing between lines in the text. 12-point font, Times New Roman or Courier New. The paper contains a header in the upper right and a heading, the first lines of the text, in the upper left. And finally, the title of your paper should be centered. Let's take a minute and we're going to look at this in Google Drive. I'm going to set up a paper for you. We're in Google Drive. A brand new clean document, has not been formatted, and I'm going to show you just how simple this is. We start, and first we go to File, Page Setup. We check that they're all 1 inch. If they're not, change them, and then click Set as Default, and then you won't have to change it again. Next, Format, Line Spacing, Double Spaced. We adjust the font, Times New Roman, size 12, and now we're ready to insert our header. The header goes in the upper right, but it's actually up in the margin. So we go to Insert, Page Number, Top of Page. You see a little number pop up there. Use the arrow key and move your cursor over, and we write the student's last name. In this case, the student is John Smith. We click back into the regular text. It is left aligned, and we start to write our heading. Student's name, teacher's name, the course name, and then the date written out. We hit enter again, and then we name our paper. The title of the paper should indicate what the assignment is and what the paper focuses on. So, this is a first attempt at MLA format. Note that all major words in the title are capitalized. Hit enter again. We use these buttons to change our alignment. Left aligned. Hit tab. Don't use the space bar. A single tab. And this is my first attempt at MLA format, and I am fairly certain it is correct. Let's look for a minute at some of these things. This is our header. Last name and page number. Don't write the page number. Make sure you do insert page number. If you write the page number, the number 1 here, every page will be number 1, and that won't be correct. This is our heading. It is student name, teacher name, the course name, and the date. Our title, centered, not underlined, not bold, it's not bigger. We didn't change any of that. Every aspect of the paper is formatted the same. All the spacing is even, all the fonts remain the same. And our first sentence. That's it. That's as easy as formatting an MLA paper can be.